Good afternoon, everyone. Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you with a mail call. And wait till I see you in Timonium. This mail call is from Plumber. And I know what it is because I had asked him to help me 3D print some stuff for our Godzilla layout. But really, buddy, you had to do all the masking tape? Really? I know you think it's funny. It's really not. I'm just kidding. But yeah, you guys just wait till Timonium. Okay, so I am getting ready to open up and lay out the pieces, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. We finished unpacking the box from Plumber, and Ray helped me, and we're just in awe of everything that Plumber printed out for us. And I'm going to show you. There's one building. See if I can get these. And now I have to decide if I'm painting the black ones or leaving them. And I know I have to do something with the white ones. I mean, this is just, I was not expecting all of this. It's just amazing. And he even put an H up on the top of there for Hildreth. I mean, this is crazy. Look at all these. What a guy. And I do know his wife, Alex, helped out. So thank you, honey. Thank you, Alex, for helping him. And thank you, Plumber. We appreciate you helping us. Pretty soon, you're going to be doing stuff like Joe Rader. Just call Plumber. He'll 3D print $1,000 a print. That's what Ray's laughing. He's like, $1,000 a print. But Ray wants to walk over there and show you his sign that his dad hung up for him today. So we will get up and follow Ray. He's so happy. Look at that. Right where he wanted him, huh? But, yep, that's our mail call. We are going to start placing some buildings, thinking about some colors, and we'll do an end of the night video. Thanks again, 1,000%, Plumber. You helped us out big time, buddy. We love you guys and appreciate you. Say bye, Ray.